I'm so hyped up. I just finished assembling the CPU and look at the graphics. The screen is wonderful. This is 240 Hz the screen and looks smooth. And I have the AMD Ryzen with the Radeon graphic card. And look at that. How beautiful. Oh my god. Oh crap. Hi everyone, Richard here. What I have is the AMD Radeon Rx 5600 XT, and look at the fan blades. It's quite aggressive looking, right? And this is actually a very powerful graphic card which has a PCIe slot and the copper pipes. These are the cooling pipes, which is a very good layout and a very strong backplate to hold it in. The ventilation is wow, with big ventilation fans and the copper pipes. And you have the logo, MSI logo, and the Radeon logo in front. Again, the copper pipes at the side. And it's the dual slot design. You have the display ports on the back, and there's HDMI port there, right? Two more display ports. Now the rest is just the vents going out. Now I like this. It's quite thick and solid. It feels really heavy. So I'm going to pair it with the AMD Ryzen 5 3600X. This has 6 cores and 12 threads. So with the PCIe 4 and 95 watt TDP. So to keep things cool, using this MSI CORELIQUID 240R, which is a radiator type cooling system that has a rotatable pump design, and the pump speed goes up to 4200 RPM, and the fan speeds is from 500 to 2000 RPM. Good thing is it has a dual fan design, and you can see this is before I assembled the fan. It looks like a radiator, right? So again, radiator type design cooling with a blockhead, and this is the cable for the pump. And the blockhead is with the copper at the bottom, and again the true fan is the ARGB fan with lighting. The MSI B550i gaming motherboard with the M.2 slot and the PCIe slot there, and you can see the back is all the connectors with the USB as well as the Wi-Fi connectors. So there's another USB there as well as a LAN port. So this type C as well. So the specs I'll list it down in the description, and with the audio jacks at the side here. So it's a very small motherboard, but it's good enough. It's got a very strong backplate there. So I'm going to assemble all the motherboard and graphic card, everything into this MSI MPG GUNGNIR 110R mid-power casing, and it has all the switches on top that I will use. So this is the full set that I'll assemble. Okay, here I have a very nice display. It's a 25-inch HDR gaming monitor, and it's got a 1 millisecond response time with a 240 Hz refresh rate, and it's actually 16:9, and it's IPS FHD. You can adjust it up and down, and with the logo behind, it's very nice, sporty looking, and USB at the side, and all the other connectors and display out is at the bottom, and the power is connected. Almost forgot the RAM. It's actually the TEAMGROUP RGB RAM, 16 GB DDR4, 3300. So it looks so gorgeous with the lights on, and especially the cooling block, and the RAM has RGB as well. And you can see the full set with the cooling block to the radiator, and then the lighted RGB RAMs and the Radeon graphic card with the casing. And I have the MSI headphone and also the keyboard and monitor. So I'm going to test it out, and do follow me on the next video, and I'll leave all the links below, and give me a thumbs up. See you. Bye.